She had a great experience. She told me about him, and within 30 minutes, I had to reach out to him because I needed this procedure done.
Hi, this is Dr. Reynolds, and welcome again. We have another lovely story to be told. A person that we did yesterday, actually, I just tell her first name is Miranda. I think I did right, yeah. And on Miranda, we did what was called a 360, which is basically upper and lower abs, waist, hip, and lower back. So being an OG, we just go with the upper abs, lower abs, waist, hip, mid, lower back. 360, well, what can I say? I guess that's what they do nowadays, but it's the same thing. Anyways, I wanted to have Miranda tell you about her experience. Okay, here's a lovely person in the office today, and she had body sculpting done. I must say, though, she had some concerning issues for me. She had a rectus diastasis, which is a large bulge in the anterior part of the abdomen. So we sent her over to have the CT scan done for safety's sake to make sure she did not have anything sinister like a hernia or something like that within that rectus diastasis. Other than that, I think she did well. So tell us about who you are and tell us about your experience.
Hi, my name is Miranda. I am from, I would say, another city not too far away from Fort Lauderdale or Coral Springs. And I was introduced to Dr. Reynolds by my aunt, who had a procedure done about a month ago. And she had a great experience. She told me about him, and within 30 minutes, I had to reach out to him because I needed this procedure done. I have been living with my body, not the way I wanted it, for about 21 years due to pregnancy. And I met Dr. Reynolds and his team, and I tell you, I was thrilled to be able to be a candidate to have the procedure done. He did have some concerns about the rectus diastasis, and I was glad that he wanted to take precautions and have me do a CT scan prior to the procedure to make sure all was well, and the safety part of it was good as well. And I tell you, I came in and I had the procedure done. He did explain to me step by step what we were going to be doing, and he did just that. I left out of here walking, talking just fine, and I'm back here today and to say that I feel good. I feel good, and I'm happy that I had the procedure, and I look forward to having more procedures done with Dr. Reynolds.
So overall, do you see any changes in your body yet or no?
Yes, I can see that I'm sculpted, even though I'm a little swollen, but I can see that they did a great job. And so now it's left up to me to continue to do the work in order to get even better.
Yeah. Hey, man, we say we want to put the curve where it ain't or where it used to be.
All right.
Amen. So I'll let Mom say something too.
Hi, I'm Miranda's mom, and I came with her as more support. Also, I was concerned about what I thought would be a painful procedure, so I wanted to be here for her just in case. And I observed a procedure that went incredibly well. I didn't take my eyes off the screen because I was afraid. But
that was a live video feature. Yeah.
Yes. She did well. Dr. Reynolds has talked her through the process as he was doing the procedure, and I couldn't be more pleased. She's fine, I'm fine, and I plan to make an appointment to come and have 1 or 2 procedures by myself.